Hi guys, welcome to the Clean channel. For this recipe we will need olive oil, coconut milk, an egg, an avocado, and make sure there's no fiber in your avocado, and aloe vera leaf. So guys, I have been using this hair treatment for my daughter for 5 months, and believe me guys, her hair had grew thicker and longer as ever. So I decided to share this little recipe with you guys. So we will start by washing our aloe vera leaf thoroughly. After washing our aloe vera, we're going to remove the spike and cut it in half to extract all the juice we can from that, guys. And this piece on the side, I will use it for later. So now that we have this juice, see, it's really thick, I'm going to blend it for about 5 minutes to make sure that everything is well blended and we will have no lump left on the hair. Now that we're done blending, we will add the rest of our ingredient in the mixer. So there's coconut milk, and my daughter will help me with this. So we will add 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, and then 3 teaspoons of olive oil. We will crack an egg in the mixer, and we will add the avocado. So like I said, my daughter, to make it fun with her, will help me do that. Everything is in the mixer, so we are going to mix it well for 3 minutes or more. It all depends, but we want to make sure that there is no lump in it. This is it. We have our hair treatment ready to be applied on the hair. Like I said, you can apply this treatment every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. It's up to you. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.